there, my name is Kevin from Captain Quesadilla Company. And what I do is I run a food truck out of Green Bay, Wisconsin. And I wanted to bring some recipes to you and kind of share with you what we do on our truck. I converted actually my dining room to a little studio. We partnered with No Kid Hungry to raise money to fight childhood hunger. It's alarming that there's 22 million kids that rely on reduced price school lunches. Our goal is to raise enough money to provide up to 1 million meals to kids in this country. What we're going to be doing here, we're going to be making a barbecued black bean quesadilla.
For this recipe, you're going to need your tortillas, black beans, shredded cheese, barbecue sauce.
If you don't have a griddle, you can do it on the stove top. Then what we're going to be doing is just applying kind of a base to it. We'll spread out some cheese. We're all from Wisconsin, so we know we love our cheese. And next I'm going to be applying some of the black beans. And I just use about half a can of this 10-inch tortilla. And then next, you want to just apply your favorite barbecue sauce. And then we're going to top it off with a little more cheese. And then we are going to put that tortilla that's been heating up just over the top of it. And we're going to let that sit for probably about a minute or so. So would you guys like to meet one of Captain Q's friends? Sidekick, Black Bean Ninja. Black Bean Ninja's got some great superpowers, just like you do. That's what Captain Quesadilla serves up. We like to feed your superpower. And this little tasty treat, the Humility, the Black Bean Quesadilla, is something that I hope you and your family enjoyed. And then once you have the quesadilla kind of toasted up to its perfection, you can garnish it with some salsa and some sour cream. Obviously, if you are choosing the vegetarian route, there's also at your local grocer that there's a lot of options for that as well. More of a dairy-free option. So this is barbecue black bean quesadilla. So I'll be sharing some additional recipes throughout this month. If you have a recipe you'd like me to try, please drop me a message. And if you'd like to donate or join the Million Meal Mission Team, please click on the link below. I want to thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, keep smiling and stay safe. Thank you.